Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Today I'm making some chicken salad. I had these. I have a lot of these. I have the premium white chicken. I also got a lot of tuna and salmon in these packets. So I'm going to make some chicken salad. Okay, so I already chopped up my onions. I got red onion. Look at that, that's a lot. I like it a lot. So let me lower this so I can show y'all what I'm doing and what I'm using. And I got all this other stuff sitting around. We'll make some nachos later. Okay. Lower this a little more. Okay. I'm going to dump in my relish. And I got the kind of relish I really like. This is the Famous Dave's spicy, sweet and spicy relish. It's really good. Juice and all. Okay, I'll see. And I like it kind of sweet. Okay, I got some eggs. I had cooked these yesterday. I'm gonna put them in this plate so I can chop them up. This is the plate I chop my onions up on. Have to be careful with this knife. This knife will cut you up. One of my honeys blessed me with a set of these Rachel Ray knives. I got a garbage bag right here to put trash in, so I can clean as I go. So I need this for. Okay. Chopping these eggs up a little more because I don't want a big chunk of egg. Make it just like I make tuna salad. Okay. Let me clean this. Okay, I used the Miracle Whip and the mayonnaise. Got a new jar. Nice dollop. The Miracle Whip is sweet and mayonnaise is savory, so use them together. This is Heinz real mayonnaise. Will it come out? I had trouble last time. Come on now. Okay, he's about to knock my tripod down. Oh my goodness, this don't want to snap. It ain't closed.
I know. No, it's not.
Come on now. I'll get some later. And somebody had suggested I buy the sandwich spread. Bought some, but I don't need it today. But I did find it. They used to have the big old jars, but I couldn't find a big jar. Okay, I'm gonna open this. These are easier to open than the tuna. I had to cut the tuna packets. That's how it looks. Just like the tuna and the salmon and the mackerel, if y'all eat that. Okay, come on out. 4 packs. I fixed this. I tried to keep some tuna or chicken salad fixed because I need to get up and eat something, and this is something that I would actually eat. And I got my Ritz crackers. I bought the saltines. Some things were stale. Brand new pack of saltines, and I didn't even bother to take them back and feed them to the squirrels or the birds. I'm gonna season this. Might need another pack for chicken salad. I mean chicken. Okay. Still gonna put the mayonnaise in there. Does this fit? It adds another flavor. That's right, I didn't get my mustard. Why they make stuff that don't squeeze out? It's supposed to be a squeeze bottle. I don't buy no more squeeze bottles. Just getting on my last nerve. I don't want this. Stupid. Too thick to squeeze. Got one in there that actually works. I'll be back. Okay. Okay. This is how this is looking so far. I'm gonna add some more chicken in here. This is how I buy the chicken and the tuna and the salmon. I just get the whole thing off the shelf, the whole box. We're gonna put 2 more in here. Mustard. Now this is mayonnaise, Hellman's. This works. Okay, I'm gonna add some jollof rice seasoning. It's a little spicy and got salt in it. It's a little spicy. I'm gonna add a little pinch of celery seed. That's a pinch. That adds flavor, y'all. And parsley flakes, it don't add no flavor. in my opinion, but adds color. I fix this different each time. Of course, the pepper. A little salt. This pink salt. Let's see if I need any more. Anything. Chopping up this chicken and the eggs. Smells good. Walter can't stand this kind of stuff. I wish I had some bell pepper. I could chop that up in here too. You can taste it. And that jollof rice seasoning, that added a little color to it. Needs a little salt. That should do it. You don't need to be too salty because I'm going to have crackers with it. The crackers got salt on them. The way I store this, I put this in a gallon Ziploc bag. I don't leave it in the bowl. Okay. Come on, man. I'm trying not to break my fingernails when I open these boxes. Good bowl. Sometimes make sandwiches. Can't open it, I don't need it. That's enough. Let me raise this. Okay, I'll raise this up. Okay. Chicken salad. Okay, let's see. I'm eating it like an hors d'oeuvre. You know what really makes a difference? The sweet and spicy relish. That's good. Use half a jar, y'all. Almost half. This is good. Don't need no more nothing but a good letting alone. I didn't drop this bowl, and I feel stupid. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye.